The first state-funded naloxone vending machine in Texas is now up and running in Denton right outside of Rubber Gloves on Sycamore Street, offering free 24-hour access to a nasal spray that can temporarily reverse opioid overdoses.
We're just so excited to have this lifeline for our community here. It's free, it's available 24/7, and it will, we think, have a huge impact on our community.
The unveiling brought people together with one shared goal, making sure people are ready to save a life.
And the turnout, so many people from so many different local businesses and organizations, or even just bartenders who wanted to be better prepared for something like this, it really just goes to show how strong the community here is.
Opioid overdoses can happen anywhere at any time. One incident at Rubber Gloves where someone overdosed and another acted quickly showed how vital access to this medication can be.
They came back here, was able to grab the Narcan and administered and brought them back to life. Once that happened, we just realized, oh, this probably will not be the last time. And so we just all kind of got together and, what can we do in order to keep our community safe and also to raise awareness about the hazards and dangers of fentanyl.
Denton's nearly had 250 overdose calls in the past 5 years. More than a third were fatal, and lately, most have been tied to fentanyl.
We hope that doesn't happen again to somebody, but that if it does, we'll be able to have the response needed in order to make sure that that person makes it through.
Now Rubber Gloves is home to one of the first of 112 naloxone vending machines being installed statewide that will always be stocked.
The more that people know about it, the more we'll be distributing, and that's the goal, saving lives.
We just want to get the word out to everybody that it is easy to get Narcan or naloxone from this machine. You don't have to put in any kind of identifying information. There are no cameras that are watching you. Come and get this. So it is totally easy to get with no risk for the community. And so we hope everyone will come out and get a box of naloxone.
You may never need it, but someone around you might. And now Denton is better equipped to help. In Denton, I'm Kimberly Barroteran.